Let's create one more tutorial of our series car engine. And in this video, you'll learn to make the bushing and the crankshaft. And we will make the assembly and we will create this animation. So open the Fusion and let's go. And the first step, go to assembly, select the new component. And the parent here is the car engine. And the component name, we will call this bushing. And press OK. I will hide the others component a little bit. And here go to create a sketch and select the right plane, capture position. And here, select line. Make this sketch here. We'll put the dimensions later. And go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And go to sketch dimension. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 38.1 millimeters. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 66.04 millimeters. Move this a little bit. And this line here has 19.5 millimeters of length. And this line here has 2.54. And go to constraint, select equal, select this line here and this one. So we made this profile. And here select line, a construction line type. Click here in the midpoint, make a horizontal line here. And go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Look that the sketch is full defined. And finish the sketch. Go to revolve. The profile is this one. And the axis, select this construction line. Operation new body and press OK. And now create a component from this body. Click here with the right button, select the create a component. Rename this to bushing. And now we will create a copy. So go to modify and select the move and copy. And the move object, select the component, select this body here. And you select here, create a copy and move this a little bit and press OK. And now active the car engine and show the others component. We will move this bushing a little bit. And here, click with the right button and select on ground from parent. Okay. And now go to assembly and select the joint. And here, we will select this edge. And select this edge here of the engine block. The motion here is rigid. We need to flip the direction. And press OK. Now we'll make the same in the other side. We can edit the opacity here. Will be better to see this part. Make the same here. Go to assembly, select the joint, and select this edge here. And select this edge of the engine block. And the motion here is rigid. And press OK. I will change the color of this bushing. Press letter A in the keyboard. And select any color you want, no problem. I will go to paint and glossy. I will paint this red. And I will paint in this piston here, yellow. Okay. Let me change the opacity here. And now go to assembly and select the new component. The parent here is the car engine V5 and the component name is Crankshaft, and press OK. And here you can hide the others component, hide the relationship here, and go to create a sketch, select the front plane, and select a circle. Click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 63.5 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. We need to extrude this, so go to extrude, select this profile, and the distance here is 27.31 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch, select this face, and here go to create, select a slot, center to center slot, click here in the midpoint, make a slot here, and go to sketch dimension. This line here has 63.5 millimeters of length, and the radius here is 44.45 millimeters. And finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, make sure to select this face, and the distance here is 19 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. And now go to create sketch and select this face and go to create, project include, project, select this arc here and press OK. We need the center of this arc for reference and select the circle, click here in the center of this arc and make a circle here with 76.2 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. And now go to extrude, select this circle, extrude this 26.67 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. We made this one. And now go to create a sketch and select the right plane. And go to create, project include, project, the selection filter, select the bodies, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And here go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, find the center of this line. If you don't find this, no problem, just click here and click here in this point, make an arc here. This arc is not tangent with this point, okay? And here, go to constraints, select the midpoint, select this point here and this line. And go to sketch dimension, and the radius here is 169 millimeters of radius. We made this profile. We use this to make a cut. And now we'll make an arc here in the other side. So go to arc, 3-point arc, click here in this line, and click here in this point, create an arc here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 169 millimeters. And here, go to sketch dimension, sorry. The distance between this point and this point here is 5 millimeters. Okay. We made this profile and this one. So now go finish the sketch. And now show the body 1 and go to extrude and select this profile. And here we will make a cut. The direction, select symmetric, and the extend type, select all. Operation cut and press OK. We made this one. And now go to fillet, and here select this edge here, in the other side too. The fillet here is 2.5 millimeters, and click in Add Selection Set. Select this edge here, and this edge here. The fillet here is 0.6 millimeters, and press OK. And now go to Create and select Mirror, and the object is body, and here select this body, create a mirror here, and the mirror plane, select this face. Operation join and press OK. And now go to create again, select a mirror, the object, select this body, and the mirror plane, select this face here, and the operation, select new body and press OK. And now go to move and copy, select this body here, but make sure to move object, select the body, the selection, select the center of this face, and here we will rotate this 120 degrees and at the Z angle and press OK. And now go to mirror again, select this body and the mirror plane, select this face, the operation new body and press OK, and go to move and copy, select the center of this face, rotate this 120 degrees at Z angle and press OK. We made this one, and now go to modify, select combine, the target body, select this body here, and the two bodies, select the others two body here. The operation is join and press OK. We made this body here. And here we need to create more two extrusion. So go to extrude, select this face. The distance here 63.5 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. And extrude the other side here 63.5 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. We made this one. So now click here with the right button and create a component from this body and rename this to Crankshaft and press OK. Don't forget to save this exercise, okay? And now active the car engine V6 and show the bushing. Let me move this a little bit. And now show the pistons. And here, let me hide this a little bit. And here, go to assembly and select constraint component. You can select here or select here, okay? And the component one here, the type will be a link, and the component one, select this face, and the component two, select the first piston here, select this face to make this concentric, and press OK. And now go to constraint component again, select this face here of the first piston, okay, and select this face And the distance here will be an offset with 2 millimeters. And press OK. And now go to constraint component, go to the second piston here, select this face and this face, and press OK. Make the same to the other pistons, just select assembly, select this face and this face here, press OK. The offset will be done only in the first piston, okay? And the other piston we use just the concentric. Select this face and this one, press OK. Go to constraint again, select this face and this face here, press OK. And one more time, and here select this face here and select this face and press OK. We made this one, and now go to constraint component, select this face here and this face and press OK. And here, if you click here and rotate this, we'll see the motion. Okay. And now I will show the engine block here, just to show for you. If you rotate this, go to assembly and select joint as build joint, shift J. And the component that we will select here will be the crankshaft and the bushing. We will receive this message, but no problem. Go to continue and the snap point, select the center of this face. And the type here, make sure that the type is revolute and press OK. And now show the relationships here, show the joints. I will hide the rigid here. It is the joint of the bushing, and hide the rigid 8. That is the joint of this bushing. And here, click here in Revolute 9 with the right button and select Animate Joint Relationship. You will see this relationship here, this animation. So that's it. Here we finish the crankshaft exercise. So see you in the next videos, and bye bye.